Installation video for 27 flower flush mount ceiling fan with light. Check with the list of accessories in the manual to make sure they are complete. Let's start. Disconnect the power supply by turning off the circuit breaker. Loosen the 2 screws in the L slot and unscrew the 2 screws for the round holes from the motor housing. Choose suitable installation method according to your ceiling type. Remove any existing bracket. Use 4 screws to secure provided addlon ceiling mounted tray. Align the holes on each blade with the 2 holes on the motor, then tighten the nuts securely. Repeat the above steps for the remaining 4 parts. Cross and interlock the metal connectors between adjacent blades. Align the 5 wires in the center of the motor housing with the corresponding holes. Insert them and tighten the nuts securely. Align the holes on the decorative ring with those on the motor, then secure it with 4 screws. Align the 7 blades with the holes on the base and insert them until a click is heard. Insert the fan blade into the center rod, making sure it is locked into the slot. Place the fixing cap over the fan blade, then rotate it counterclockwise until fully tightened. Install the hook and hang the fan body on it for support. Warning: wiring must be in local and National Electric Code, NEC, standards, and ANSI/NFPA 70. If you are unfamiliar with wiring or in doubt, consult a qualified electrician. Green wire. Connect to the ground. Black wire. Connect to the lot. White wire. Connect to the neutral. Align the screw on the bracket with L-shaped slot hook in the canopy. Tighten all 4 screws on 4 sides. Light on. Light dimmer. Light brighter. Lower the color temperature. Wind speed level 1. Reverse. The fan will take some time to slowly stop before starting to reverse.